Good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. So, yesterday, I continued to do a lot of research. Just with the sim trading I was playing around with, had a very profitable day. So, made back a lot of the other testing I was doing, but nothing notable that I want to go over on the specific trades. But it did give me a direction that I want to keep playing around with going forward. So, I'm going to keep testing this idea, but not fully structured it yet. So, I'm not going to go over the individual results yet. On the prop trading, we did have one winner yesterday, which brings our equity curve almost back to the peak, but not quite there. So we'll see what today brings. But on the equity markets as a whole, right now, I am very unbiased right now because the argument on really all the equity markets could be made for either direction. And when that happens, we tend to continue to get a lot of chop. We have some more earnings after the market today. Earnings came last night. We saw a lot of volatility, a lot of whipsaw. Just in this overnight, we've had 100-point moves or near 100-point moves both directions. So just a lot of confusion in the market right now and uncertainty. I will say on the Dow, if we get a continue this rally up quite a bit higher into this area here, I'll look to take a short on my sim trading. But anything else that's happening on that, I'm going to stay away from on the index markets today. When it comes to oil, I still remain bullish overall, but with it on the shorter term rolling over, I want to just be a little bit more cautious on the buy side. So there was a buy setup that I tried to take yesterday, but it didn't quite fill me. And today I'm less confident in it. So I tried to buy it when price was trading over here around 8 a.m. yesterday. It didn't quite come back and fill me. Today I'm still willing to take that. I'm cutting the size in half on the sim trade for that, just because I view that as a higher risk trade if it does even get down there today. I will take a stab at that.
Order submitted.
And then natural gas actually just filled me on a not so great trade, one that I rated as, I'm starting to rate these, so I'm going to start doing half size on the 1 stars, normal size on the 2 stars, and double my size on the 3 stars. So this is one, just overall, natural gas, I want to stay a little bit bearish right now, but things are so oversold and in this choppy area that I just want to be a little bit more cautious with my trades I do take in that. So I'm going to reduce the size on these trades. Then both gold and copper have a similar feel today, even though their daily patterns are quite a bit different. If we get a bit higher on gold, there's a sell up here. I'm not super confident about it, but I'm willing to take it up here just because we are at an area, an inflection point where sellers are going to start fighting back, buyers are going to be taking profit. And so I think if we get up here, there's a decent chance that that comes back down. Then on copper, and similar with gold and copper, if there's a clear buy setup, I'm willing to take it with caution. Copper is a little bit, even though it has broken this uptrend, it's still in an upward direction. And we just came a little bit further down here. And so it makes sense that the buyer stepped in here. Where they'll go from here, I don't know. So I'm willing to take some buy setups on the smaller time frame just for some bounce plays if those take place on both copper and gold. Currencies are too unclear to me right now, staying away from those. So good luck today and happy trading.